kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Where is A, kids? Where is A? Yes, this one is A. A for aeroplane. Blue color. Where is B, kids? Where is B? Yes, this one is B. B for butterfly. Yellow color. Where is C, kids? This one is C. Purple color. C for cap. Where is D, kids? Orange color. This one is D. D for dog. Where is E, kids? Where is E? Yes, this one is E. E for elephant. Yellow color. Where is F? F. F. Yes, this one is F. Orange color. F for fan. F. G. Yeah, this one is G. G for goat. Purple color. Orange color. Orange color. Where is H? H. H. Yeah, this one is H. H for hand. Where is I, kids? This one is I. I for ink pot. Where is J? We use red color for J. J for joker. Where is K? K. K? Yes. Yellow color. K for kite. Where is L? L for lemon. Purple color. Yellow color. M. M for mango. Blue color. N. N for nose. Orange color. O. O for orange. Blue color. O. P. P for piano. Purple color. Q. Q for queen. Yellow color. R. Where is R? Where is R? Yes, yellow color. R for ring. Red color. Where is S? Yes, this one is S. S for star. Purple color. Where is T? Yes. Blue color. Where is T? This one is T. T for tomato. Yellow color. Where is U? U for unicorn. Orange color. Where is V? V for village. Blue color. Where is W? W for water. Orange color. Where is X? X for xylophone. Yellow color. Where is Y? This is Y. Y for yak. Blue color. Where is Z, kids? This one is Z. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.